In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dynamic blocks in AutoCAD. Dynamic blocks are a powerful feature in AutoCAD that allow you to create blocks with adjustable properties. This enhances their flexibility and utility across various design scenarios. They provide a way to manage standard geometry with a range of interactive functions, which can be especially useful for recurring design elements, such as doors, windows, and other architectural details. For our demonstration, we'll be using a door dynamic block sample that comes included with AutoCAD. To get started, we'll need to access the block. Begin by pressing Ctrl and the number 3 on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the Tool Palettes window, providing a range of block options to choose from. From here, I'll select the door. Once we have the door dynamic block ready, the next step is to make adjustments to it. To do this, simply select the block you've just placed. As you do, you'll notice several arrows appear. These are the key to modifying your block to meet your specific needs. The arrows provide you with options to flip or rotate the door, allowing you to orient it in the direction that best suits your design. Another feature you might find useful is the ability to adjust the wall thickness to which the door is attached. This can be particularly practical if you're working on projects that require varied architectural wall dimensions. By clicking and dragging the appropriate arrow, you can seamlessly modify the wall thickness, ensuring the door block fits perfectly within your design parameters. Lastly, adjusting the length of the door itself is straightforward. The dynamic properties of the block allow you to click and drag to modify the door's length, accommodating different sizes or design requirements. This flexibility is what makes dynamic blocks such a valuable tool in any drafter's toolkit. And there you have it. Your dynamic block is now customized to fit your design needs. This ability to tailor standard components without having to redraw or duplicate significant amounts of geometry saves time and promotes consistency across your projects. As you've seen, using dynamic blocks in AutoCAD is a process that, once familiar, becomes second nature. This convenient feature supports the efficient iteration and development of designs, something that professionals across architecture and engineering fields can appreciate. So next time you work with repetitive design elements, consider making use of dynamic blocks to simplify your workflow and increase your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident in using dynamic blocks in your future projects. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and tricks on mastering AutoCAD.